Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you are facing this issue, this site can't be reached. Like I'm facing this issue suddenly. This site can't be reached. When I try to open the YouTube as well as my site, it's not working. So if you are facing the similar issue, this video is for you. I will show you how you can fix this issue. So this issue occurs mainly due to the DNS issue or the internet is not working properly on your system. How we can fix it? So let's close this and open here the command prompt. Run it as admin and type here the command ncpa.cpl. Press enter key and now this will list out all the network card inside your Windows. What you need to do is you need to look for your Wi-Fi or the Ethernet connected network on your computer. So right click on your connected network, then click on properties and look for the internet protocol version 4 here, then look for its properties. Now in the obtain DNS server, make sure this is tick on your system. Obtain IP automatically. If any manual IP is here, just select this option, obtain and DNS automatically on your Windows, and obtain DNS automatically on your Windows. But if that is not working and this setting is already done on your computer, you can choose this option 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. This is the alternative DNS and this is the Google DNS on your computer. Now click on OK, click on close, and now see if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you, we can go to the step number 2. Simply open the control panel, look for the large icons here. Now look for the network here. So let me see the options which you need to look for. Internet options, click on this option, and once you see this option, go to here the advanced options and restore advanced setting. Click on apply and click on OK, and also go to security tab here, reset all zones to default labels. Also apply the settings and also go to connections tab here, then look for your LAN settings and untick the box of if any manual proxy is showing up here. Just tick the box, automatically detect the setting here, then click on OK and then click on OK, and now let's reload it. So as you can see here, it has working now. It is this one. So issue has been fixed now since we have restored all the setting to defaults on our Windows. So if this is also not working for you, what you can do is type our ipconfig /flush DNS, press enter key, and once you press at the enter key, use up arrow key and type our ipconfig register DNS. This is the command to re-register the DNS, and this will restart the DNS, and reboot is required on your system since we have run the flush DNS as well as this re-register. And once everything is fine, restart Windows and everything should be working fine on your computer. If this is also not working, you can simply type a network reset and simply run. This will reset your settings to default. Reset now, click on yes options, and you may have to enter the password again, and this will fix your issue. So this is the video guys, and 4 steps I have shown you, and I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is still not fixed, then I can recommend you to reboot your router and check the internet on your computer. So thank you. Thanks for watching.